Hi my darlings, what's up? What are you all doing? I hope you all are doing amazing, you all are fine and safe. So if you guys are new to my channel or watching this face for the first time, then hi, I am Pooja. Just a small reminder, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and let's make this family huge. Also guys, make sure you follow me on all of my social media like Instagram and Facebook. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be yet another exciting video because I'm going to share with you all top 10 product under rupees 100. And guys, all of these products are really random but related to beauty, and all of these products actually work in real life. And guys, all of these products are really useful in day-to-day life. So if you guys are interested to know like what I am talking about, then you should keep on watching. Also guys, product के सारे detail आपको description box में मिल जाएंगे, so don't forget to check that out. Now without wasting any more further time, let's get started. This is the first item I have with me, which is this one. So this is basically a perfume and it is from the brand called Yardley London, and I am in a morning dew variant, and this retails for 70 rupees. Really affordable. Plus guys, it has such an amazing feminine kind of fragrance, yet it is so fresh and floral also. So if you are someone who really don't love to carry heavy and bulky perfume in your purse, then you guys can definitely keep this. Also guys, इसकी smell बहुत ज़्यादा long lasting है. It really lingers on your body for around 6 to 7 hours, which is honestly so good for a price point. Also इसका बड़ा version भी मेरे पास है, but I really like to carry this in my purse. आपको ये perfume हमेशा मेरे पर्स में मिलेगा, and I really like this one. Also आप भी इसको अपने पर्स में easily carry कर सकते हो, like in your handbag, और also अगर आप क्लच यूज करते हो और थोड़ा बड़ा वॉलेट यूज करते हो तो आप इसको अपने बैग में जरूर इंक्लूड कर सकते हो, जस्ट टू गिव अ क्विक टच. ऑल्सो गाइज, इफ यू हैवंट ट्राइड दिस फ्रेग्रेंस आउट येट, देन आई विल हाईली अर्ज यू टू ट्राई दिस वन आउट because you're gonna love it like I do. Honestly, this is such an amazing purchase. Okay guys, so the next item I have with me, which is this one. I know this is so random, and it is a body wash basically. So this is something which I really need because I am someone who really love to try out different body washes, and I particularly love the Lux one because they have such an amazing fragrance. Plus guys, the longevity is also so good. So basically this retails for 99 rupees and you're getting 250 ml of product in it. Also आपको इसके साथ एक इस तरह का लूफा भी फ्री मिलता है, which is really not bad for 99 rupees. Again guys, I got this from Nykaa. So if you are someone who is looking for a nice body wash, give it a try for this one. This is such an amazing body wash. So guys, the next product I have with me, which is this one. So this is basically a shampoo from Pantene and it retails for 60 rupees and it have 90 milliliters of product in it. I know you guys must be wondering कि मैं आपको इतना छोटा बॉटल क्यों दिखा रही हूँ जबकि बड़ा बॉटल अवेलेबल है. But guys, this is so useful when you are traveling और आप कहीं एक दिन के लिए ट्रिप पे जा रहे हो और कहीं भी जा रहे हो, and if you are someone like me जो होटल के कोई भी टॉयलेटरीज यूज नहीं करता है, because I am someone who really doesn't like to. And guys, it is so compact, कितना छोटा है, आप इसको इजीली अपने टॉयलेटरी बैग में कैरी कर सकते हो. गाइस, आई एम समवन हु रियली लव टू गो ऑन 1 डे और अ 2 डे ट्रिप, और अगर मुझे हेयर वॉश करना होता है तो थैंकफुली अगर मेरे पास ये होता है तो आई रियली डोंट हैव टू यूज द होटल थिंग. सो दैट इज द रीजन आई रियली लव टू कैरी दिस काइंड ऑफ स्मॉल बॉटल. एंड ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव अ शॉर्ट हेयर, इवन यू कैन यूज इट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस टू वॉश योर हेयर. Okay guys, so the next item I have with me, which is this one. So this is basically a face scrub. Again, it is under rupees 100. इसका actually दो variant आता है. One is for 120 rupees and another one for around 70 or 80 rupees. And it is their blackhead clearing daily scrub. And guys, I really like this scrub. I remember the time when I was like in school और तभी ये product launch हुआ था. This was basically like my first face wash, and that time इसका बहुत छोटा सा version आता था, which was I think for 25 rupees. I still remember that time, and since that time I'm using this scrub. This is so nice, so mild, and it really helps to clear up your blackhead and oiliness and all of dirt from your pores. And also this is a good alternate option for the Neutrogena one because I really don't feel any difference. But guys, this is so good for oily and sensitive or an acne prone skin, and also you can even use it on a daily basis as well, like a face wash. इसका जो texture है वो बहुत ज़्यादा harsh नहीं है on your skin, so you guys can definitely check this out. This is such an amazing buy, honestly. Okay guys, so the next item I have with me, which is this one, and this is basically a cotton pad. Obviously अगर आपने मेकअप किया हुआ है तो आपको मेकअप रिमूव करने के लिए कुछ चाहिए. These days people started using anything which is reusable, but it comes really handy whenever you are traveling. Like आप इसके 2 या 3 pads को अपने पर्स में रख सकते हो just to quickly clean up. Even you can use it to apply toner. So basically this is from the brand called Tulip and it retails for 80 rupees and it have 50 pads in it. And guys, the pad qualities are really रियली गुड. मैंने 2-3 डिफरेंट पैड्स ट्राई किए हैं बट मेरा ये बहुत ज़्यादा फेवरेट है. दिस इज सच एन अमेजिंग पैड्स. ऑल्सो इट इज़ रियली सॉफ्ट एज वेल. So guys, you can use it for 50 times because it contain 50 wipes. So you guys can definitely check this one out because this is such an amazing product again. Okay guys, so the next product I have with me, which is this one. So basically this is a sheet mask, and these sheet masks are really in these days because they are really result oriented. Like you can actually feel that you have gave something to your skin, because your skin can feel so glowy, so plumpy and so refreshed and so hydrated after you put a sheet mask. Guys, this is my favorite variant from Garnier, and it is in a light complete way. It is infused with lemon and all of those things, and I am so up for anything which have lemon because I really love lemon honestly. So guys, basically this product retails for 99 rupees, but don't worry, आपको इस पे easily discount मिल जाएगा. Before Nykaa used to have buy 5 get 5 this thing on Garnier, but right now they have just discontinued doing that offer. But instead they have came up with कि आपको वो कुछ 10-20% ऑफ कर देंगे, तो आपको ये पर शीट मास्क easily 70 rupees का मिल जाएगा, which is again not at all a bad deal because guys they are such an amazing sheet mask comparison to any other sheet mask that I have tried, and they are my favorite. And guys, मेरे पास Garnier के सारे sheet mask है, like वो in whichever variant they are available, but I really like this one, so you guys can definitely check it out. Also guys, this sheet mask says 1 mask 1 week serum, so basically अगर आपने इसको एक ही बार वीक में अप्लाई कर लिया, you are all sorted for a week, so you can definitely check this product out. Next item I have with me, which is again a mask, and guys this is like my very favorite when it comes to face mask, and that is this one. So this is from the brand called the Body Care, and it is a aloe vera face mask. Also guys, I have shown you this product in my Nykaa haul, and मैंने इसका 3 वेरिएंट लिया है, and मैं इनको बहुत टाइम से यूज कर रही हूँ, and I really love this one. So basically guys, it retails for 80 rupees, but आपको easily इस पे फिर भी 5 to 10% ऑफ मिल जाएगा, where you will find it for 70 rupees or 75 rupees somewhere around that. And they are clay mask, and this is so good no matter what skin type you have. And guys, I will highly urge you to try this face mask out. This is so affordable yet very effective at the same time. And guys, you can actually feel the result, like your skin can feel squeaky clean, really hydrated and really refreshed after you put on this face mask. So definitely check this product out. Okay guys, so the next product I have with me, which is this one. So this is basically a lip balm. Now guys, no matter मैं कितने भी lip balm try करूँ, I always come to this again and again because this is such an amazing lip balm honestly that I have ever come across in my life. They are so affordable yet very effective. Like it only retails for 40 rupees. They are available in 3 or 4 different flavors. Like they have cocoa, they have rosy lip, they have aloe vera. I own all 3 of them and I really love them. I really use this on daily basis. And guys, if you are someone who is lip balm lover and who cannot go without lip balm but really seeking for a good lip balm under your budget, give it a try for this one because this really serves the purpose. It actually heal your cracked lip, it really moisturize and hydrate your lips, and also it smells so amazing. And guys, ये आपको easily कोई भी मेडिकल स्टोर में मिल जाएगा और ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन भी आपको ये easily मिल जाएगा, so आप इसको ज़रूर ट्राई आउट कीजिए. Okay guys, so here we came to the end. We are only left with 2 products. So the next item I have with me, which is this one. So basically this is a inside nail polish remover. It comes with a 40 wipes in it, and it is in a musk variant. This retails for 45 rupees, and again this is my ultimate favorite of all time. Like this is something which is so handy and so convenient and so time saving and resources saving. अगर आपके पास ये एक particular product है तो you really don't have to carry extra pad to remove your nail paint or an acetone with that. And guys, इसका एक ही wipe enough है to remove the nail paints from your 5 finger, which is a good thing. Guys, if you are someone जो lightish color के nail paint लगाते हैं तो guys ये आपके दोनों हाथ के nail paint को easily निकाल देगा. At least in my case ये ऐसे ही होता है कि मैं एक ही से दोनों हाथ के nail paint निकाल देती हूँ. Plus guys, मुझे ये वाला variant उनका ज़्यादा पसंद है. Also उनका एक और आता है which retails for 30 rupees or 35 rupees, but they are not actually that great जितना ये अच्छा है because इसके वाइप्स थोड़े थिक है, तो which really helps to remove your nail paint easily. And guys, ये इतना छोटा और हैंडी है कि आप इसको अपने बैग में easily कैरी कर सकते हो. And guys, मैंने इसको ऑलरेडी स्टॉक करके रख लिया है because I'm only left with 4 or 5 wipes in this particular box. And yeah, so you guys can definitely check this product out, and this is such an amazing product if you are a nail paint lover like me, जो I think week में 4 से 5 बार अलग अलग nail paint लगाता है, then give it a try for this one. Yeah. Okay guys, so the last item I have with me, which is my very favorite item, and I cannot forget that item, which is this one. So basically this is a nail paint. Oh, this is a nail paint and it is from the brand called Faces Canada. And guys, I am in the shade Linty 45. I really like this color. And guys, this product retails for 109 rupees, but don't worry guys, you will always find a discount on Faces Canada, and they always run 20% off or 10% off, so you will easily find this product for around 80 to 85 rupees. I have spent 85 rupees on this product and I feel this is such an amazing nail paint. ये nail paint इतना अच्छा है कि ये easily आपके finger पे बहुत time रहेगा, like at least ये 3 से 4 दिन intact रहेगा. So you guys can definitely give it a try. Also they are available in I think 30 or 40 shades. They have such an amazing shade range guys, go check it out. I really like this one. So if you are someone who is nail paint lover like me, then give it a try for this nail polish, because this is such an amazing nail paint and I really like this product at the same time. And guys, again, this is such an amazing product under rupees 100 and it's worth spending your money on. Yeah guys, so here I complete my today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, interesting and informative, and if you really did so, then you know what you have to do. Just hit the like button, share with your friends and family. Let me know in my comment section which was your favorite product from the whole video, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye, take care, see ya, and I love you all. Bye bye.